The Samsung Galaxy Note 9 is here. Bigger screen, bigger battery, new Bluetooth-enabled S Pen. But is that enough? It looks super similar to the Note 8, until you look at the numbers. The Note 9 has a 6.4-inch screen, so it's a little bit bigger, but it's still Super AMOLED, 2K resolution, and looks glorious. There's a 6GB RAM version with 128GB of storage, or an 8GB RAM version with 12GB of storage on board, and you have microSD expandability up to 1TB. In addition to the big screen and stacks of power under the hood, water carbon cooling means the Note 9 will probably be well suited for gaming, and that's little surprise given all the Fortnite rumors we heard as this thing was launching. As for the new S Pen, you can use a button on it as a clicker when you're browsing through images or presenting to an audience, for example. It can also be used passively, i.e. not engaging that battery like the old S Pen used to do, hovering over the screen enabling a bunch of quick settings and letting you draw with 1496 levels of pressure sensitivity under the hood thanks to the Wacom digitizer. Around the back you've got two 12-megapixel cameras, same as the S9 Plus, with the same setup, one with variable aperture and one with a 2x zoom. As for the user interface, you've got new scene recognition features and it's got flaw detection, so it can tell you if the picture was a little bit blurry or if your camera is smudged. Finally, and my personal favorite thing about the Note 9, the battery is 4000 milliamps. That's 20% larger than that of the Note 8. The battery was one of the biggest issues with the Note 8, so fingers crossed this phone reviews better. But that said, it is an iterative update. There isn't anything major or groundbreaking here, aside from maybe that Bluetooth in the S Pen. Keep it locked to techradar.com to find out everything we think when we get a device in for review. Thanks for watching.